Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today I'm in another collaboration. This one is the Pies of March. So all this month, everyone in this collaboration are making different kinds of pies. They can be sweet pies, savory pies, ham pies, any kind of pie. This collaboration is being co-hosted by Tony from Kettle Kitchen and Leanne from the Mennonite Farmhouse. There are going to be prizes for this, so pay attention, guys. The grand prize will be a $100 Amazon e-card. In addition, there will be a set of 4 pie plates, a baking mat set with a rolling pin, a wholesome biscuit cutter set, 5-piece set, a ham pie molds, apple, pumpkin, and acorn shapes, 3 pieces, and a Your Kitchen Premium Culinary Butane torch being given away. That'll be on April 3rd, and to enter that, you're going to have to not only participate with the other channels in this collaboration, but you will need to, you know what, having bifocals is hard. I hate getting old. There's going to be around 20 channels in this, and you need to hashtag Pies of March 2023. Hashtag Pies of March 2023. Please comment below my video on this to be entered and into the grand prize drawing. The other prizes will be given away by using the hashtag tool for those present at the live on April 3rd. So use hashtag Pies of March 2023 in the comments below, and then watch the live on Leanne's channel, Mennonite Farmhouse, on April 3rd, and use the hashtag to earn or win the other prizes. So there's a lot of good stuff there. There's a lot of good core channels, a lot of people I like to collaborate with to do the kind of cooking I do, which is more home style, home cooking. So, and Leanne has a great channel, so does Tony. So, but check out the other channels, they're in the links below, and I think you're going to really enjoy this. That being said, what kind of pie am I making today? PA Dutch corn pie. This actually came up not long ago. I haven't made this in forever, so going back to PA Dutch corn pie. This is another one of those home comfort foods to me. It's savory, but it's delicious. You don't like this, there's just something wrong with you. So let's get to it. It's not a complicated recipe. So corn pie is pretty simple. Different people do it different ways, but I want a couple eggs, 3 eggs of a couple 2-3 hard-boiled eggs chopped up, 1 can of whole kernel corn here, and then I have another can that I creamed with the juice, and just like a couple teaspoons of cornstarch. I like that creaminess. Salt, pepper, butter, and half a cup of milk. And we're going to put this all into a pan and bring it up to a little simmer for about 10-15 minutes. I forgot one major component. 1 large boiled cubed potato. Yes, that's important. Need the potato with the corn. So I combined everything in my pan here. Get it mixed up good. And then we'll get this simmered down a little bit. Oh, and you're going to need 2 pie crusts for this. Whether it's homemade crust or store-bought crust matters not to me, but you will need 2 pie crusts for this. And our filling's ready to go in the pie. Now, this is not a pie that sets. It's going to be goopy. Some people make it drier, but it still would crumble even so. But I like it like this, so I'm making it the way I like it. Now, we'll get the other crust on top. I'm going to let this cool a little bit, dot this with butter, put the other crust on top, and then we're going to get her in the oven. Okay, I have the vents cut on top. She's going in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes. And then back off to 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until the crust is browned. And it's done. Gotta let it cool a little bit and then we'll have some PA Dutch corn pie. So our corn pie is done. And here's what it looks like. So yummy. This is PA Dutch comfort food right here. So once again, that's my PA Dutch corn pie. Like I said, some people don't cream their corn for it. I like to at least cream half of it for it, but you can make it how you like. I'm just making it how I like. So once again, this is the Pies of March. April 3rd, there will be a live on Mennonite Farmhouse's page, Leanne's page. Use the hashtag in the live chat comments to win the other prizes. Grand prize is the $100 Amazon gift card. Remember to comment below this video and the other videos that are in this collaboration with hashtag Pies of March 2023. Let's see here. The other participants in this, besides of course the Mennonite Farmhouse and Kettle Kitchen, is Noreen's Kitchen, My Table of Three, The Tilted Crown Gourmet, Pine Creek Farm, The 1870s Homestead, The Flavorful Home, Tulilu Creates, The Mud Broker, Homesteading with the Zimmermans, Lazy Days Ahead, Big Valley Living, Valerie Hargert, Hat Creek Homestead, My Aussie Garden and Kitchen, Greg's Kitchen, and Southern Kitchen, Julie, Keeper of My Home, Bare Bones Living, Not for Nothing Homestead, Ann Dale Homestead, Prepper Potpourri, Grace and Fire, 9 Acre Family Farms, Two Doctors Homestead, CNC Farm, Blues Self-Reliance, Jenny's Scratch-Made Kitchen, The Inquisitive Farmhouse, Farm Wife, Mud and Mascara Homestead. Yeah, I love that. I like that name. So lots of great channels. Check them out for the other collaborations. Like I said, there's all kinds of pies. Ham pies, savory pies, sweet pies. Who doesn't like pie? So check it out. Make sure you participate. Make sure you're there tuned in with Leanne on April 3rd on her channel. And maybe you can win some really cool pie stuff. Have fun. Visit the other channels. Hope you win.